In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a block on Squarespace. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. This is your starting point for making any changes to your website. You'll see the option to log in, go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers a seamless integration with Google for logging in, which we'll be using today. So when prompted, select Continue with Google. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be shown a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you use for Squarespace. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard if you're already linked. If it's your first time, you might need to give Squarespace permission to access your Google account. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to find your website. You can access all your Squarespace websites from your Squarespace account dashboard. The website you'll be working on should be listed there. Click on it. Now we're getting to the core part. Navigate to the editing interface of your site. There should be a direct link to edit your site from the dashboard. Clicking this will take you to the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Here, all the content blocks that make up your website are laid out. These might be text blocks, image blocks, or any other content elements you've added to your website. To find the specific block you want to edit, simply hover over it. You'll see your cursor change as you hover over different blocks, indicating that they can be edited. Once you've found the block you're after, look for the edit icon, which usually appears at the top corner of the block. It might be a pencil icon or a settings icon, indicating that you can make changes. Clicking on this edit icon will either open a new editing window or bring up options specific to that block. From here, you can make whatever changes you need, whether that's updating text, changing an image, or adjusting settings like size and alignment. Remember, these options will vary depending on the type of block you're editing. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to and edited a block on your Squarespace website. Remember, Squarespace auto saves your changes as you make them, but it never hurts to double check everything is saved before you navigate away. Editing blocks on Squarespace is a simple but powerful way to keep your website updated and engaging. With these steps, you should feel confident making changes whenever you need. Happy editing!